As you probably know, Instagram Music might not be available in some locations. So in this video, I'm going to help you how to fix this problem if your Instagram Music for Story is not showing up. Let's say I open my Instagram and I want to add a new story. Let's say I choose this photo. And now from this menu, as you can see, I have the audio option. And here I can choose any music that I want to. Now, if this option is not showing up for you for some reason, or if when you tap on it, you see no music available, right now in the For You section for me, it says no music available, but obviously if I tap on trending or original audio or saved or something, I could add music to my story. However, if in any of these sections you can't have access to any music, I have some solutions for you. First of all, you need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. One way to do that is updating it from the App Store. A second option and a better option would be going to General on your iPhone setting, tapping on iPhone storage. And then from this menu, you're going to find Instagram and offload the app in order to clear its cache and then reinstall the app in order to get all of your data back without the cache, and probably the bugs you've been facing should be fixed. So when this is done, you can go back to your Instagram account, and as you can see, I have all of my information, nothing is logged out or anything, and your music option should be fixed by now. But if still it's not working, there's one more thing you can do. You can tap on settings and scroll down, find this option that says account type and tools, and switch to professional account. Next, and then maybe I will choose artist, and then I'm going to tap on switch to professional account. Okay. And then I'm going to just choose creator, tap next. Just like offloading the app and reinstalling it again, switching from a personal account to a professional one and switching back usually fixes all the bugs that you might be experiencing. Now you can switch back from your professional account to your personal account again. If you want to do so, you should choose this option, Creator Tools and Controls, from the Settings menu. And here, as you can see, it says Switch Account Type. And if I tap on that, I can switch back to a personal account. I hope that fixes the problem, and now you can enjoy any music you want on your stories. And if you have any more questions, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section.